If the sun suddenly stopped shining, Earth would face some pretty wild consequences. Immediate darkness. The most obvious change would be the sudden absence of sunlight. Within about 8 minutes, the time it takes for light to travel from the sun to Earth, we'd be in complete darkness, except for stars and artificial lights. Temperature drop. Without the sun's heat, Earth would start cooling rapidly. Within just a few days, the average temperature would plummet well below freezing. After about a year, the average global temperature would hover around minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Life would become impossible without extreme heat sources. Atmospheric changes. The Earth's atmosphere would start to freeze and fall to the ground. This would make it even harder for life to survive, since breathable air would disappear. End of photosynthesis. Plants rely on sunlight for photosynthesis, so with no sun, plants would die off. This would disrupt the food chain, starting with herbivores and then moving up to carnivores. Ultimately, most life on Earth would struggle to survive. Gravitational effects. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit, so if the sun suddenly stopped exerting gravitational pull, Earth would drift off into space, no longer orbiting the sun. This would send Earth into a random path through the galaxy, but life would already be long gone by that point. In short, life would be unsustainable on Earth without the sun, and the planet would become a cold, dark, and lifeless rock floating through space.